Hey, what is going on, guys? So I got a nice case here for your LG V40 here. This one is by Nimbus. They call this one the Cirrus 2 model, and comes in a variety of colors. I got the red here though, but I like this case. A couple good things about this case. First of all, it has raised edges here. Okay, so basically when you lay your phone like flat, I think that every case should have this. But basically, when you lay your phone flat, it's not going to scratch your lens or display or anything like that. And even the cutout back here for the triple lens back here, there's a lip up here that's raised as well. So even if you have your phone flat down on the desk and you slide it across the desk, it's not going to scrape any of your lenses as well. And good quality build here. It kind of has like a hard back on here. It also has a magnet on here. And the magnet is basically for if you have like a magnetic car mount. Now, they actually have one for sale too. I'll put the links below, but they have their own car mounts. But really, any car mount, magnetic car mount will work for this, okay? So they have one that they sell like this. And one attachment is to your vent, so you can put this on your vent. Or you can take this out and you can put it on here. And this way you can use the adhesive and stick that into your dashboard. This is the one I prefer, but some people I do know prefer like to put it on their dashboard. Anyways, the magnet is quite strong here, as you can see. So if you're driving and want to use this as a GPS or just a holder just to hold it like up, you can basically just pop it on just like that. And you can turn it whatever you want to do with it as well. And looking at the case itself, it does have its own metallic buttons. So your buttons are actually covered as well. And the buttons are actually pretty responsive on here as well. And you can see the cutouts down here. I mean, good quality cutouts. There's nothing going to be like off balance. The buttons work perfectly. You even see a hole up here for the mic. And also, because there's a magnet on the back, it still does wirelessly charge, no problem. Every time you pop that on there, it's going to start charging. Okay, and how did they make that work? Let me put it back on here. Is because the magnet is actually on the bottom half. It's not like in the middle where the actual Qi charger is for the LG V40. So let me give you one more look here at the case. And let me go ahead and take this off and I'll show you the insides, and I'll show you where that actual magnet is as well. So let me just go ahead and pop this out. And so here's the magnet down here. And like I said, the back is kind of hard, but the sides are a little bit rubbery. You can kind of see it's a little bit rubbery here on the sides, on the edges here, but the back is a little hard, kind of a harder plastic, but good material. It feels good in the hands. It's good grip. Definitely better than having the phone like naked like this, where it kind of feels like it's going to slide out. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Good quality case. Just snap it in there just like that, and you're ready to rock and roll. Well, there you guys go. Guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.